Good morning. Happy New Year. It's December 31st, 2025. I just turned 84 a few days ago. I'm on my way to FedEx Kinko's to pick up a print that I sent by way of their print and go service. It's a great service. And I'm excited because it's a color print of a label for a little jar, a plastic jar I 3D printed. And the jar contains a flash drive, and on the flash drive are the data files, the STL files, to print a press. So you get the jar, a little container, like my friend Richard Minsky said, a container like the cave that contained the paintings and the prints from 40,000 years ago. And the label says 40,000 years of printmaking. So with this invention, I've created a do-it-yourself printmaking experience kit. This little jar contains a flash drive, a felt blanket, probably some prints on paper, I'm not sure yet. And on the back of the label, it says, Science, Technology, Reading and Writing, Engineering, Arts and Math, STREAM. And the whole experience is a printmaking experience in itself. And the cute part is that you're printing a press. You're printing out the parts to assemble a press. Oh, and I forgot to mention too, the files, the STL files, also provide the parts for a pour mold, so you can make paper. My theory is that this learning experience is best because you make paper, you make a press, you make a plate, you print the plate. Those are the first 4 steps. And then you exchange your print with somebody else. Maybe they're sitting next to you, or maybe they're around the world. Print pals, I call it. That's my invention. You could say I've worked on this all my life. But that's enough for now. And I'm huffing and puffing because much of this walk is uphill to FedEx Kinko's, to the print and go, where I will input some numbers and alphanumeric characters and pay about $1 for the prints, for the labels, for my wonderful little jar. Thanks for watching. I'm Ritchie.